Wala na nang magawa. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, gutom na ako. So, hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas. What's up, what's up? And good morning, all the way from Chiang Mai, Thailand. Currently, it is 10:54 na guys. And wala akong maisip kung ano yung lunch ko. Pagkain na naman. So anyhow, since wala pa tayo masyadong pinaka-like proper lunch guys, or proper meal, ang unang na-try pa lang natin guys na talagang wow is yung khao soi, di ba? Sa mga first to second day natin dito. And then, nag-check ako guys sa Klook as a reference. So, di ba? Ginagamit ko si Klook guys as a reference para makakuha ko ng idea kung ano pa ba pwedeng gawin dito or kung may food tour ba o mga activities na pwede kong gawin. And syempre, may nakita ako guys. And kakaiba ito. Pero syempre about food So, I found this tour and activity na parang wow. Wow kasi ma-highlights ulit natin yung isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng Chiang Mai which is sa food. So, syempre wag natin patagalin pa. Welcome to our Vlogmas guys. And this is our Vlogmas Day 8. Tayo ay mag-8. Ayan. Vlogmas Day 8 guys, and for today's video we are going to try or experience the Chiang Mai Michelin Food Walking Tour. Puro pagkain. So ayun, itatry natin guys, siguro parang 3 ba or 4, basta ganun, 4 ata na parang magkakatabi lang siya, magkakalapit kumbaga. Itatry natin yung kung ano yung mga pwede nating matry dun sa walking tour. Syempre I will share you the experience, share what to expect, and also I'll talk more about that tour mismong during the tour na. And this is a joiner tour guys, meron din namang private but syempre mas mahal. And more on walking tour ha, huwag kayong mag-expect na may service kayo, and also hindi kasama ang pick up and drop off sa mga accommodation. Hindi ko dadalhin si Bumblebee guys. I've decided na iwan na lang siya kasi baka wala tayong mag-parking andun, kasi baka parang feeling ko market siya talaga. And then mag-grab bike na lang tayo. Pag-check ko, nasa ano lang naman, less than 10 minutes yung biyahe natin from here going to the meet-up point. Tapos syempre, I use my promo code guys, Mark Paragas Klook, for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. So magpe-prepare lang tayo, and then we'll see you guys there. Basta guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag nasa Vlogmas tayo and nandito tayo sa Chiang Mai, we are going to highlight, hindi man lahat, but most of the things na pinagmamalaki. And since medyo pabalik-balik tayo dito sa Chiang Mai just for the Vlogmas, baka isipin nyo talagang from day 1 to day 25, naka-ano ko wala akong trabaho. Meron akong trabaho guys, meron naman kasi mga weekend. Medyo magastos, but syempre, huwag nating isama yon kasi we're here to explore Chiang Mai for the first time, di ba? And we're here to share you what Chiang Mai can offer guys. Kasi nga, wala masyadong turista dito guys na Pilipino. And I hope, and I pray, that maybe someday Ayun, and I hope guys na once na matapos nyo itong Chiang Mai Vlogmas natin, magustuhan nyo, masama nyo sa plano at matry itong mga pinapakita ko. So, huwag na tayo masyadong dada. Siyempre, ang focus natin is the Michelin Food Walking Tour. So, sabi ko nga, we'll see you guys there later. Bye-bye!
2 hours later.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
Take your name, please.
Mark.
Mark.
Yeah. I just booked this morning.
Oh, okay.
Because I want lunch.
You know that they're not including for you. Only I recommend you, and you pay by yourself. You know.
Yeah?
The food not expensive.
Okay.
Anthony, Nick, Brett,
there.
Mark.
Yep.
Okay. You fill the paid form already for accident insurance?
Insurance, good.
Thank you.
Okay, what's your name?
Nana.
Nana.
Yeah.
Oh, Nana.
I'm going to be your tour guide for 3 hours.
Okay, Cap.
We are 8 together.
8?
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
We have to wait for that.
Oh, sure.
You want to take a seat?
It's okay. I'm doing vlog.
Oh.
So, of course, I'll promote you. So guys, this is Nana, our tour guide for the Chiang Mai Michelin Food Walking Tour.
Today we will go to 4 restaurants. First we go to Khao Kia Pak Mo over there.
Okay.
And then we will go to sticky rice with mango.
Sticky
durian.
rice, okay.
And go to dinosaur do. And then we will go to noodle soup restaurant.
Okay. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa ating meeting venue. And top 1 tayo. Diba nga sabi nga nila, early bird catches early charot lang. Early bird catches early worm. Ayan. Tapos, kapag nag-purchase kayo sa Klook, dito guys, tandaan nyo itong tulay na to. Yan yung pinaka meeting place niyo. Bibigyan naman kayo ng picture guys. Kaso, yung picture na binigay, kapag ipipin mo siya sa Google Map, nakaano siya, Thai words. So I would suggest, naghanap ako ng malapit na parang market dito sa tulay na to. I-type nyo lang yung minibus Warorot Market. Doon na yun. Doon pa. Lalagpasan lang tong tulay na to. Pero, pag nag-grab bike naman kayo or grab car, pag nakita nyo na to, bumaba na kayo. Katulad nung ginawa natin kanina. Sabi ni Nana, si Ate Nana, 3 hours daw itong tour natin. Kasi syempre, kapag magta-try tayo ng mga food, hindi tayo nagmamadali. And by the way, I just want to emphasize na yung rate sa Klook is just for the walking tour. Okay? Yung mga pupuntahan ninyo na mga restaurant or mga store, kung gusto nyo mag-try, kung gusto nyo kumain na kumain, on your own expense. Yung bayad kay Ate Nana, yun yung walking tour. Kumbaga, siya yung magiging guide natin para dalhin tayo sa mga Michelin Guide store dito sa, I think this is Warorot Market. Oh, taray oh. Kopi ko blanco. Joke lang. Oh guys, unlimited milk tea, unlimited Thai tea. Charot. O hindi, alam nyo ba, kahit ganito to kadumi, sabihin natin, syempre, madumi naman talaga, kita-kita sa kulay, walang amoy. Walang amoy. And sabi ni Nana, parang total of 8 tayo sa tour. Pero actually, alam nyo ba, sige sabihin ko na, kung ayaw nyo ng ganito, yung mga walking tour, like ayaw nyo magbayad, sundan nyo lang si Klook kung ano yung mga plano ni Klook or ano yung itinerary ni Klook para mag-walking tour, pwedeng kayo mismo. Pero mas maganda kasi may tour guide kayo, may English speaking tour guide, tapos bigyan ko kayo ng details na lang din. So again guys, this is the Chiang Mai Michelin Food Walking Tour by Ate Nana. Ayan, may dumating na dalawa. Ang start ng tour actually is 12 PM. So 11:53, we still have 7 minutes and tatlo pa lang kami. Tapos, kung magbubook kayo na ito guys, meron kayong options na mamili, 2 oras. Isang 8:30 ng umaga at saka isang 12 noon. So parang breakfast or lunch. Syempre kapag pupunta kayo sa tour na to, you must bring sunscreen, yan, sunglasses, hats, caps, and kasi Ate Nana meron. Tapos, camera, of course, comfortable shoes kasi maglalakad tayo na maglalakad. Kamaya na lang ibang information. Let's wait for them. O, ayan na sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, gwapo nito. Ngayon ko na ito nakita bilang sumulpot. Gusto takbad ni Kuya, parang busog na ako. Hindi pa nag-start ang tour, lumalandi agad. Pero ang gwapo ni Kuya. Ayan. Malamig daw sa umaga. Tapos, syempre, tanghaling tapat at maganda yung weather. Ayan o. So, expect nyo na mainit, syempre. Pero kapag nasa lilim naman kayo, katulad nito guys, medyo mahangin siya. Pero wag lang sa init. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize to si Kuya. So ang gagawin natin guys, habang nagsasalita si ate, since hindi nyo siya maririnig, ita-translate ko na lang. So by the way guys, aside from the walking tour, yung ticket nyo guys, ang maganda doon, may kasama na siyang insurance. So di ba, nakakatuwa. Tapos, kapag nag-book kayo, sa email nyo, may marireceive kayo na parang instruction na kailangan yung fill-upan yung insurance ninyo guys. And si Ate Nana naman, tatanungin din kayo kung nakapag-fill up kayo once you get here. Para naman, syempre, at least insured kayo habang you're doing the walking tour. Mahal ko na to si Kuya. Sabi ni Ate Nana, from here, maglalakad daw tayo doon. Tapos, babalik tayo dito for the mango sticky rice or whatsoever. Ayan, we're complete na. And complete na rin yung lunch ko.
Everyone, good afternoon ka. Sawadika.
Sawadika.
My name, Nana.
Nana. Mabubusog daw ka.
You know that you have to pay for the
And nire-remind lang ni ate na hindi kasama yung mga meal expenses. Ito mo naka-blue guys. Parang may kamukha siyang artista. So bali, ina-explain niya guys kung paano ginagawa yung mga food o mga dish na itatry natin. Dito guys, marami daw flower dyan. So parang flower market siya. And they use flower of course sa mga ceremonies, sa mga weddings, sa mga festival. Kaya ito, may sarili silang flower market. So naliligaw daw si ate kahit siya pag pumasok siya sa market na to. O diba? Tina-translate ko talaga. Baka kasi hindi nyo marinig.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
You ready?
Yeah.
But I'm not ready.
Follow the lead. Si baby ko nasa likod. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Parang Pasig River lang. So, let's talk about yung mga inclusions ng ticket na to guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, may insurance provided by the operator which is yung TDD. Marireceive yung email after your booking. Tapos, English and Thai speaking tour guide. Ayan, magaling si ate mag-English. Kasama na yung walking tour, syempre. Actually, yun lang. Ang hindi kasali dito guys, yung hotel pick-up and drop-off. Yung meals, lahat ng kakainin nyo tsaka iinumin. And all other personal expenses. Oh, hindi ko na alam kung anong lugar to. Pero ang takad di kuya. Ay, walking tour nga. So yan guys, literal na walking tour to ha. Huwag kayong mag-expect. Tsaka kung ma-arte kayo sa mga ganito, like mainit, yung init na init kayo, try nyo yung morning tour. Ayan, gwapo nyo no, nasa billboard. This one. Oh, that's water. That's coconut. And aside from dun guys, meron pa sila dito yung ganito.
This one, sapu sai mu.
How much is this?
This 20.
20 same. Same? Okay.
You can stay here also. Only with you
I'll
one.
get one.
One, okay.
Yep.
And I open for you. You want to eat with chili or garlic, and they are stick, you see?
Sticky.
Sticky, we have to take them out separate.
Okay.
Then we eat with the fresh salad. Sapu sai mu.
What's inside?
Inside peanuts,
Peanut.
white carrot,
White
sugar,
carrot,
and
sugar.
also salt.
Got it.
Yeah, because they are stick.
So this one is sticky balls. Parang sticky balls. May peanuts sa loob, and then merong carrots and sugar.
One more for you.
Sarap. Tapos may lettuce. Siguro kailangan mo i-wrap sa lettuce. This one.
Chili, you don't want.
No.
You want me to make video for you?
You want? You want?
No, for you, for you. Like this.
Yeah.
Then, yummy. Eat that. Okay. Bring you one more. Okay, this one we call sapu sai mu, but this one we call khao klia pak mo. We can put because they are thick, and also the coconut milk made them more yummy. We put above like this, and then they're not sticky anymore. You see? And then we take salad. We put them like this.
Oh, same.
Like this. On the same way. And yummy. Okay. Yummy. One? Yeah.
Masarap siya kasi merong coconut milk. Parang masarap. With lettuce. This is Michelin star guys.
A few moments later.
Kapkun kap. Aroy makmak. Yummy.
Now we go back to this section.
Babalik tayo dun guys sa pinanggalingan natin. In fairness mas malasa yung bilog kasi mas malalasa mo talaga yung peanut. Tapos sticky, para siya malagkit na ewan. Tapos masarap siya with lettuce. Para siyang parang isa siyang dessert. We are back here sa bridge. Ito ka ni kuya, parang 6'3 siguro yun. Kinausap na ako kanina. Nagtanong lang kung magkano daw. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, dapat mag-white ako or mag-black. Kaso, mas halata pag nagpawisan. Tignan mo. Pawis na tayo. Pero meron akong fan. This walking tour is brought to you by Bello sunscreen stick. Diba? Meron. Para protected ka sa araw. Bello, baka naman. Charot. Let's go! We're gonna cross this street, guys. Maraming fruits. That's mangosteen. Mura lang dito. That's 50 baht? 50 baht per kilo? May lansones. Guys, ang mura lang pwede kayo mag free taste. Then kung gusto niyo bumili, then go. Try. Thank you. I guess 50 baht lang dito. Oh my god. Kasi ito 89 baht. 50 baht lang. Ay, ang mura dito. So guys, since this is a walking tour, make sure na you're wearing comfortable para hindi kayo aarte. Puro nandito guys yung mga elephant pants. Ang dami dito. Tapos mga fresh fruits. So ganun pala guys, kapag pupunta tayo sa mga night market, i-highlights natin kung ano yung mas maraming items or products na binibenta. Ayan. Parang ito na yung pinaka-wet market nila. This is the mango sticker rice. Sticker rice with mango here. Tapos ito parang noodles nasa ice. I'll get one. Yeah. 20 baht. Okay. It's a kind of me.
Oh, me. I'm looking for okay,
Kapkun kap.
them and then eat.
Okay, kap.
Mami.
Sarap. Matamis. Para siyang sagot gulaman sa atin guys. Sakto mainit. Mahilig sila sa coconut milk. Masarap. Nakaka-refresh kasi galing tayo sa init. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag wala ng araw, hindi nasisinagalak dito sa mga loob. Malamig. Malamig bumibili oh. So yung noodles niya parang gulaman. Tapos mayroong coconut milk. May langka. 20 baht. halo-halo version ng ano, ng Thailand.
A few moments later.
But this one mango with honey. Mango, they are don't have to put any sugar because they are sweet.
Meron ako nakita guys sa Bangkok. Isa siyang market na parang ganito. Halos lahat pwedeng ano, free taste. Katulad na to. Dried mango. Hindi na kaya kailangan ng sweetening or sweetener. Oh, go ahead. Kasi matamis na talaga yung mango. Strawberry. Tamis, matatamis. Ayan siya guys, puro mga dried fruits. Tapos mga sa taas is more on clothes, bags. Here. And I think mura sa mga ganito. Parang hindi. Matang mahal nung poison. Kaya parang nga sa atin. Irarap mo siya dito. Parang sigarilyo. Tobacco. Pwede akong bumalik dito para mamili. Ayan guys, sobrang dami ng lantern dito kasi Lantern Festival is coming. And as you can see, there's a lot of vibrant colors. Tapos pwede nyo lagyan ng lamp sa loob. Babalik tayo dito para mag-check kasi parang amura. Pag mga ganito naman guys, medyo matandain tayo sa lugar. Alam ko kung saan tayo nagsisipag-pasok. Ayun, next one. I like this one.
They will start about 1 o'clock. Yeah. ใช่ไหม 1:30 Yes. 1:30 หรือว่า 1 o'clock 1. This one tender leaf gel jam. Yummy. Not yes, yummy. It's a sweet milk. Thai people we drink together with soya milk. Or sometimes eat with the anyone want to order?
Yeah.
We can order. We can come back here later because they start to work at 1 o'clock.
Okay. So this one guys, we need to go back because they're gonna start working. Resume sila ng 1 o'clock. 1:45 pa lang. Ito yung gusto namin yung shake. So meron siyang milk dip. Para siyang bread dough. Yun. Dough. Dragon. Yeah, 1. Meron sa dragon, 40 baht. Dinosaur, 20. Elephant, crocodile, and frog. All 20. Check natin kung ano yung itsura ng dragon. Pahirapan natin sila. Kung ano yung itsura ng dragon. Dapat may pakpak yun So they're Michelin guys for 2023 and 2024 plus 2021. So we're going back here. Look oh, diba? Pinapapawisan si kuya Ito ang Waroros Market. Waroros. This one naman is the same. More on dried fruits din. Tapos hindi siya ganun kadami. Katulad ng like yung matao talaga. Unlike sa ibang market. Parang pili ko mura dito. Mga ganito. Pag magpapasalubong kayo guys, dapat mga ganito. Yung nakapack para pwede nyong ilagay. Pwede kayong pwede nyong hati-hatiin. Ayun. Madami dito guys, yung mga nakikita mo sa Big C, yung mga pasalubong. Ayan, may mga milk tea Puro jelly. Iba-ibang flavor. Ito guys, mga pasalubong. Parang si kuya gusto kong pasalubong guys. Ay, si Akla, inaagawan pa ako sa baby ko Sama natin. O, diba? Ang layo, guys. Dapat hinintay na lang. Ang nangyari, babalik ulit tayo dun. Ito mga guys, mga tela, oh. Yarda yan. Oh, Binondo lang, oh. Chinatown. Daming ano dito guys, mga ano, nagbebenta ng mga medical supplies at saka parang pharmacy. Parang ano nga, lakas maka Binondo.
A few moments later.
Darling, you want to sit here?
Look at this one, noodle soup. Uy. Yan siya yung may-ari. In-order natin guys, noodle soup, tapos egg noodle. Meron siya kasi 45, 55, 65 at saka 85 baht. Yung 85 baht kasi malaki na daw yun. So try natin yung parang large. Parang ano siya eh, small, medium, large, extra large. So large tayo. Kaya tanong ko si ate kung siya, hindi ba siya kakain. Umiiling lang siya. Parang naawa naman ako. Pero I think part kasi ng tour nila yon. Actually ito na yung pinaka-meal natin. Karamihan sa mga dinaanan natin, mga ano, dessert. Ang dami ko picture kay kuya, nandito siya sa tapat. Baka bigla makita niya. Naghahanap kasi ako. Tea. Tsaka. Cheers.
I send you the location of the food. Very popular Michelin.
Oh, okay.
And you can search in the Google also Michelin restaurant, right?
Sometimes it's hard.
Where you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. Okay,
Yeah. Oh. Here. Natapat ko pala si ate. Ito yung sa akin. Tapos ito kayo.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pagkap.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Oy.
Can try. Try for me. Yummy?
Yummy. For how long have you been like a tour guide?
20 years. 20 to 23 years. Next year, if I'm rich, I quit my job.
Oh yeah, me too. If I'm rich, I'm not gonna be working now. Were you born here in Chiang Mai?
From here, 100 kilometers.
100 kilometers? Daming toppings.
Tofu.
You do this every day? Okay.
Sometimes walk in a temple.
Different tour.
1 hour later.
Yes, this is the owner. The owner?
She's the owner ค่ะ
Oh, hi.
เจ๊สาวนี่เป็นยูทูบเบอร์มาจาก
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะยูทูบเบอร์ค่ะ
She's the owner.
of the restaurant ค่ะ
So this restaurant guys, for 5 consecutive years, Michelin star. Yan, namit natin yung owner.
This is the owner.
Yan, pareho kami ng kulay ng suot ng owner. Diba? At kunkap. Yan sila guys. in fairness na guys, masarap yung food. Actually, marami pang iba't ibang noodles na serve. Yun lang yung noodles na nakita natin na mukhang masarap. Kasi ayoko nang baka biglang maanghang, di ba? Long neck people? Okay. Oh, there. Long neck people, guys. May shortcut pala dito. Doon tayo sa mainit kanina dinaan ni ate. Anyway, bali si baby guys naangahangan sa kinain niya. So guys, babalik pa tayo dun sa parang dough, crispy dough or fried dough. Yung kaninang hindi tayo naka-order kasi naka lunch break. So ngayon, yun yung pinaka-last natin, I think. Buti na lang nag-sunscreen tayo. Hiyang kasi ako guys sa pelo. So sabi ni ate kanina, nagkwentuhan kami, matagal niya na daw itong ginagawa, yung pagtutour. Hindi lang yung itong walking tour, kundi maraming ibang tour. Siguro across Kuluk, basta dito sa Chiang Mai. Nag-ano din yata siya, temple. Tapos, di ba, inalok ko siya kanina, nasabi ko anong order niya. Yun pala, may food pala sila. Ayun, mukhang this is our last stop. Yung kaninang pinuntahan natin, yung may dough. In order ko guys, dragon. Check natin kung kayang gawin yung dragon. Baka mukhang butikila. So, and finally guys, we are back here. Ayan na siya. This elephant. Dragon mine.
Want to eat here?
Yeah.
Want to eat here, and also you want pandan leaf sauce or milk?
Milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
Or nômค่ะ Dragon for you นะคะ
Dragon.
Dragon ค่ะคุณจะนั่งที่ไหน
Okay.
นั่งที่ไหน
Here.
นั่งอุ้มเหรอ
Oh, you're there.
ไอ้ไปนั่งอุ้มค่ะแต่จะที่กลับเข้ามาเนาะ
Oh, here. Okay, come.
Okay, Dragon. You can share him photo. He can take photo for you.
Oh. Dragon.
Here, give me the phone and give me a nice picture.
Oh, okay, okay. What did you order?
Dinosaur.
Oh, okay. Is this your first time here?
In Asia or Thailand?
Thailand.
Yeah, first time. I've been,
In Chiang Mai?
yeah, very first time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've never been to Asia, and then I graduated from university, and then I've been to China, Japan, Vietnam, and Laos, and now first time Thailand.
How was it?
Amazing. The people are so kind, they're so chill, the weather is nice, the food is so good, everything is kind of cheap.
Do they have the same like the culture in Vietnam? Is it the same? Or you like it moves here?
I like it more here.
Okay.
The people are way more relaxing. In Vietnam, it's more busy, more crowded. They're
Okay.
not so chill. So I like the vibe here, especially in Chiang Mai. So it's my first city. So my friends told me Bangkok is very crowded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It's a busy one.
yeah, I'm excited to see.
I was in Bangkok last month.
Yeah,
Yeah. Wow.
I love it.
Anyone want?
You want a picture?
Yeah, sure.
One more. Compared to Bangkok, I think I like it here.
Yeah,
It's more relaxed.
yeah, it really is.
It's not crowded.
The vibe is so good here.
Yeah. So it's like I don't want to eat it.
Yeah, it's
I
way,
want to take it home.
yeah, it's like it's just put it in your bag. So, you know, pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's good. Especially with the milk.
What is it, Thailand?
Yeah.
Thailand have a lot of food to eat.
Yeah. I eat the head.
One noodle and you can eat dragon.
Dragon head, no more. I like the cow soy.
How so? Now you have to try to my friend restaurant. This one, Michelin.
Michelin too?
I share your location already.
Okay.
Yeah, it is Michelin restaurant. Yummy, yummy.
Wanna try?
No, thank you.
Great that. everything's like same price as other restaurants, but it's a Michelin restaurant, so
That's one good thing about Thailand. In Bangkok, some of the Michelin guys are like too far from each other, unlike here.
yeah,
Very close. How much is this?
I need 30 baht.
30? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Here, both of us. Oh, okay. Hi.
My boyfriend.
Do you go here like for work or for vacation? Okay.
you,
For vacation too.
you're vlogging.
Oh yeah.
Are you like YouTuber or something?
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh, nice. Shall I follow you?
It's okay.
I can subscribe to you.
Okay. What's your name?
Nick,
Nick.
you can type it in.
Mark. I usually speak in my language though. So.
Yeah, but watch anyways.
Okay, thank you. My latest one is in Bangkok.
Bangkok.
Yeah. Thank you. Is it okay? Hi guys, Nick here from Germany. Yeah. And this is Ate Nana.
Nothing now, Nana, so you already
Oh, this is the last one?
yeah, the last one. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Nana.
A few moments later.
I'll go back now.
Alright. Thanks, Nick.
Thank you so much. See you.
So yeah, enjoy the rest of your Chiang Mai. Babay na si Nick. Ayun guys, so we are done finally and busog sarap. So more on dessert, tapos nakaisang parang meal lang tayo or main meal natin yung noodles. Then the rest is dessert. O diba? Na-meet pa natin si Nick. Pinalaw niya ako guys. So hindi ako pwede maglandi-landi, baka maloka tayo. Maya, baka lang to. Charot lang. I think we can go back here anytime we want. Malapit lang naman to sa accommodation natin. And bili lang tayo ng water. Kasi we need to stay hydrated guys kasi sobrang init sa labas. And I hope again na gustuhan nyo yung ating walking tour. And that's our Chiang Mai's Michelin Food Guide walking tour with Ate Nana via Klook. Again, you can use my promo code MarkParagasKlook for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. Me, myself, and I call myself like introvert guys. Ang dahil sa pandemic, dati hindi, kahit sino, super friendly. Pero super friendly pa rin naman ako, yun nga lang, sa mga tour, mas napipil kong mag-isa kung pwede nga lang private tour. Katulad kanina, tignan nyo, hindi ako nakipagkwentuhan. Pero since may baby tayo, so baby Nick, ayan, wala eh. Ang tangkad, tapos mag-muay thai siya mamaya. Tapos ayan, napagkwentuhan din namin na nag-muay thai ako kahapon. And walang beginners doon. Pero mukhang fit naman siya. So anyway guys, again, it is a must try. Try nyo try nyo. Kahit hindi kayo kumuha sa Klook, okay na okay lang din. Basta sundan nyo lang kung ano yung pinaggagawa natin. Oh, don't forget, syempre, to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga camping travel vlogs natin here in Chiang Mai. More travel, more fun, enjoy life, live life to the fullest. Enjoy nyo na. Matatanda na kayo. You will never get to this age. Please do whatever makes you happy. And follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys in our next travel vlog. Much to everyone.